Well, hello, beautiful friends. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a pumpkin with any sort of napkins or anything that you have. So if you've watched some of our videos, you know that I'm a football fanatic, love football, got a football player. So I have my front porch, and I will put the picture of the video that I did up on the screen. But I have my front porch decorated with football, but I've also added some pumpkins and fall stuff to it now. But I'm gonna leave that up and carry it on through Thanksgiving until I switch over to Christmas. But right now I wanna do a quick tutorial and show you how to take a napkin. I've seen a lot of these on social media, and I just wanted to give it a try myself. So I'm going to Podge it onto this pumpkin to make it decorative. You just take a napkin and you have to take off this inside layer. Most napkins are double layered. So I'm going to unfold this and take off the inside layer like so. And I'm already making a mess. I'm a messy crafter for sure. So ignore that part. So I'm gonna take this napkin, and I believe you cut it into pieces so that you can glue them on or Podge them on to the pumpkin. So I'm gonna try not to cut off my design, but I don't think it matters because it's all gonna blend together. I'm gonna cut these into small pieces, different designs. And I just love these napkins. I think I got them at TJ Maxx. But when I'm out shopping and I see football stuff, I get a little crazy and I just load up on it because I usually host different things. I host Ohio State football stuff. And for my son's team, since he's a senior this year, I've hosted various team dinners, and I just like having football stuff around. As you can see, I got football napkins on my counter along with my pumpkin decor. So it's just what we do in the fall. We love it. And sad but true, it's already coming to a close, at least the high school football is. But we're gonna enjoy every moment that we have, and I'm gonna take advantage of keeping my football decorations up and around as long as I can, just because they make me so happy. So I cut these into little pieces here, as you can see them. And I am going to, actually, let me do it a little. I've seen people do it on different social media platforms, and I thought I'd give it a try just because I wanted to add a little cute pumpkin to my front porch. So let's see what happens here. I'm gonna put this on and just put it on there and then Podge over it. And it is, so this pumpkin's a little bumpy, but I think it'll be fine. And I'm just gonna start slapping these all on here in different ways so that they cover the orange pumpkin. So I started out with small strips, and I wanted to try a long strip and see if it would work just to keep the pattern together. So I'm gonna give that a try right now. I'm gonna cover a whole spot with Podge, and then I'm gonna try to put this whole strip across. And it looks like it's gonna work. So you can do small strips or big strips. Whatever you want. Of course, the big strips would be quicker. And I'm a kind of a whatever's quickest craft type of girl. So I tend to be messy, and I tend to try to make things quick, which isn't always the best, but I like to do a lot. So the quicker I am at things, the quicker I get to my next project. So I will show you this once it's done, and then we'll let it dry and I'll show you the finished result, but it's looking pretty cute. So I've Podged almost the whole pumpkin. I just have the bottom to do. Couple tips as I'm doing it that I found. Maybe not so much Podge is needed under, because when you wet the tissue or when you wet the napkin, it kind of soaks through. And you have to be very careful because they are delicate, so they will rip easily. But so far, I think it's gonna look cute, and I will let it dry, finish it up, and show you the finished product.
Last year in fall, Annette and I did pumpkins also. I'll put the link of the video in the description. So this is just a quick recap of my football porch. I actually just recently added pumpkins to it because I just love the football theme, but I also wanted a little bit of orange and a little bit of stuff. There's my new little pumpkin that I just made. Thank you so much for joining me today on this little pumpkin tutorial. It turned out pretty good. It's a little bumpier than I had hoped, but my pumpkin was bumpy, so that's probably why. Give it a try. Try out some new ideas. You could do this with any sort of napkin. I saw a lot of floral patterns that looked amazing. I love this, and I'm gonna take it to a tailgate party for the game on Friday night. I'll probably have it out for Friday team dinner for my son's team. So, you know, it's just all about what moves you and what excites you. So thank you for watching. You go out and figure out what kind of crafts you enjoy and what makes you happy. And if it's not football, then find something else. Go find your passion today. And please subscribe, like, and comment on our channel. We'd love to hear what you think and hope to see you back soon. Thanks so much. I just wanted to share a couple of other printed pumpkins that I saw. I thought this one was pretty unique with the rope that they added to it. There's many, many options. They're endless. Get creative. You can do it to match your decor in your home. You can do it for something that you really love, like butterflies. You can do just flowers. That one looks like they just did pieces on a white pumpkin. This one in the navy and white is very pretty. And this one looks like they cut out just the flowers out of the pattern on the napkin. Go try something new.